All right, what's going on, y'all? I have a very completely useless talent. I can do one color, not the whole thing, but I can do one color on a Rubik's Cube really fast. So I'm gonna have you take a look at that. You can mess it up as much as you want to, and then pick any color, and then I want you to time me. I should be able to do it in under, I could definitely do it in under a minute, but I think I can do one color in under 30 seconds. So we're gonna see.
Let's go with white.
All right, we're going white. Got the timer?
Yep.
Tell me when to go.
Go.
All right.
Oh, come on, dude. You got 15 seconds.
Count it out.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh.
Keep going. Just let me know exactly where I'm at.
Well,
What rank? So probably about 35 seconds. Let's give her one more go. Pick a different color. I can do this.
Okay. Let's do red this time.
All right, tell me when to go.
Okay, start.
Oh, she messed it up good too.
Yeah, it is. That'll be easy for you.
Where you at?
Yeah. 15 seconds is where we're at.
Let me count.
27, 28, 29,
Bang!
30. Oh, 31.07.
Oh, I can do it though. There you have it. That's my useless talent.